This is a big long turn. See how many G's we can get without dying. For those wondering how much 350 normal miles and 200 fun miles cost, there you go. Also, this fucking gas station doesn't have a goddamn window cleaner, so fucking rip, I guess. We are finally getting into the foothills of the Smoky Mountains, so we're gonna have a little more fun driving, just because mountains, right? Who doesn't love a mountain road? Look at this shit, bro. The Smokies, they're fucking beautiful, man. It only gets better. Like we can pull about like 0.6, 0.7 G's before the wheels start, or the tires start slipping out from under us. It's actually really hard to notice any body roll coming out of corners and like going in between switchbacks and shit. All right, slow guy. Here's a good chance to see how quick this Durango can just get up to speed and go with this 8-speed transmission. No problems upshifting or downshifting through corners. It's very smooth. Some cars I wouldn't ever do that in. Nice and tight. No issues taking that at 108. That I felt the rear end pick up just a little bit, braking there. It could have been a bump. Keeping it in a little bit of a higher gear because I'm slowing down and speeding up a lot. Keep those RPMs down just a little bit. Flat out. In 5th, we can hit our speed limiter, so no worries there. Got some tight corners coming up here. Tires are starting to slip at this point. Pulling 0.5 G's there. I'm not going fully flat out on these corners I can't hit the apex on, just because I do not want to wreck this car. So I'm only doing what I am comfortable with here. And what I am comfortable with is essentially babying this car. Holy hell. It can handle pretty much anything I throw at it. This is a big long turn. See how many G's we can get without dying. Oh, hopefully there's not a cop here. No, we're good. 0.4. Almost 0.5 coming out of it. Ah, beautiful, beautiful road right here. And a wonderful car to drive it down. hugging these corners fucking awesome, man. If you're ever on the edge about getting a Durango, this is your fucking sign to get one as soon as you possibly can. It is fucking amazing. After you get used to the 8-speed and when to shift, man, this car, it opens up a lot. I'd love to feel one of these that has a, like even just a Diablo Sport little plug-and-play tuner on it. Tight corner, very tight corner. No issues though. Take the inside lane here because of traffic. Oh well, there's traffic on the inside as well. Oh, fuck, man. I love it out here. Fucking love it out here. I will say, if you are going to get a Durango and you are used to the feeling of a fucking Hemi in your hands, get a 392 because the 5.7 isn't enough. Holy shit, we get a tunnel? Hell yeah. Fuck yeah. There's the speed limiter. Brakes still feel fine, even though I've been using them like crazy. Whole car still feels fine, despite the abuse I've given it. Well, looks like we get a little high speed section here, I think. Still gonna play it safe. We're at our top speed, cruising. Look at that alignment. It's beautiful. Fucking asshole. I guess I'm the asshole. I'm the one going 118 mile an hour. Almost out of the mountains already. Shit. I don't want to be done yet. just like that, we're back in Tennessee. That was quick. Shit.
I got a lot of